Today I'm going to be showing you on a Ford Explorer how to figure out why your AC isn't blowing really cold. First and foremost, after you get in the car, you turn your AC on, you'll be able to feel. So in this case here, this thing ain't blowing nearly what it should be. And for it to be 96 degrees out here, this is doing no justice. Coming out of your vents, you'll probably get about 54 degrees. By the time it reaches your face, it could go all the way down to like 70 degrees, 75. So this is why you really need to be in good shape. First, you're gonna want to plug your gauges up, find your ports. Then, after you find your ports, you're gonna close off your manifold, which you're gonna turn it clockwise, and then you're gonna open up these, turning it clockwise. Right here we got 20 and 150. With it being like 100 degrees out, it should be sitting really anywhere between 30 and 45 and maybe 200 to 275. Now typically in a case like this, it does mean that there's possibly a leak, but what you can do in the meantime, you can actually pull a vacuum on the whole system, make sure everything's evacuated, there's no moisture in the lines, refill it up with the amount of refrigerant that it's supposed to take. I'll show you where you can find that. If you open up your hood, somewhere on the hood there'll be a sticker right here. It shows that this one uses 7.1 ounces of R134A, and if you need, this is the PAG oil type. That is the very basics to figuring out one reason why your AC could be blown warm. Now of course, there's a lot of other reasons that it could be blown warm, like a bad pressure switch, a clog in the orifice tube, bad compressor, even though the compressor is spinning. Those are for other videos, but just for the very basics, if you want to vacuum your line, refill it with the proper amount of refrigerant, a lot of times this can get you going. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, or follow us on our social media. Check us out on our Google. Check out all of our reviews. We got plenty of videos, and if you're in the Dallas, DFW, Metroplex area, you can go ahead and give us a call at our number right here on the bottom left hand of the screen, and we'll make sure to get with you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.